Hello, and welcome to Techdistry, your tech channel. Artificial intelligence has revolutionized many aspects of our lives, from the way we interact with technology to the way we work and play. But can AI ever truly feel emotions like humans do? The field of effective computing is exploring this possibility, developing algorithms that can simulate and respond to emotions in humans. While simulating emotions in AI systems is a complex task, the potential applications in areas such as healthcare and customer service are vast. However, the development of AI systems that can simulate or experience emotions raises ethical considerations. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of AI and emotions. Artificial intelligence has become an integral part of modern society, with applications ranging from autonomous vehicles to speech recognition software. However, one of the limitations of AI is that it lacks the ability to experience emotions in the same way that humans do. While AI systems can recognize and simulate emotions to some extent, the question of whether AI will ever be able to feel emotions remains an open one. The field of effective computing is exploring how AI systems can simulate and respond to emotions. Effective computing involves developing algorithms that can analyze different types of data, such as facial expressions, voice intonation, physiological signals, and text, to recognize emotional states and respond appropriately. For example, some AI chatbots are being designed to recognize and respond to emotions in human users. These chatbots can use natural language processing to understand the content and tone of a user's messages, and then generate responses that are tailored to the user's emotional state. There are different ways in which AI systems can simulate emotions. One approach is to use rule-based systems that define specific rules for how an AI system should respond to a particular emotion. For example, a rule-based system might be programmed to respond with sympathy and understanding to a message that contains words or phrases associated with sadness. Another approach is to use machine learning algorithms that can learn to recognize and respond to emotions based on training data. For example, an AI system might be trained on a dataset of facial expressions and corresponding emotional labels so that it can recognize and respond to emotions in new images. However, simulating emotions in AI systems is a complex task, as emotions involve many different components, including subjective experience, physiological responses, and social context. For example, an AI system might be able to recognize that a person is smiling, but it might not be able to understand the underlying emotional state that is causing the smile. Similarly, an AI system might be able to generate a response that is appropriate for a given emotional state, but it might not have the subjective experience of that emotion itself. One of the challenges in creating AI systems that can feel emotions is the lack of a comprehensive theory of emotions. While there are many different theories of emotions, there is no consensus on what emotions are and how they arise. This makes it difficult to develop AI systems that can simulate or experience emotions in a way that is consistent with human experience. Another challenge is that emotions are highly individual and context-dependent and can be influenced by factors such as culture, personality, and previous experiences. This makes it difficult to develop a one-size-fits-all approach to simulating emotions in AI systems. For example, a response that might be appropriate for one person in a given emotional state might not be appropriate for another person in the same emotional state. Despite these challenges, there is a growing interest in the development of AI systems that can simulate and respond to emotions, as this could have a wide range of applications in areas such as healthcare, education, and customer service. For example, healthcare providers could use emotion-sensing AI systems to help diagnose and treat mental health conditions, while customer service providers could use empathetic chatbots to improve customer satisfaction. However, The development of AI systems that can simulate or experience emotions raises ethical considerations. For example, if an AI system were to experience negative emotions such as pain or suffering, there are questions about whether it would be ethical to subject the system to these experiences for the purpose of research or testing. There are also concerns about the potential misuse of emotion-sensing AI systems for purposes such as surveillance or manipulation. As we've seen, the question of whether AI will ever be able to feel emotions like humans do remains unanswered. While there are exciting possibilities for the development of AI systems that can simulate and respond to emotions, there are also ethical considerations that must be taken into account. As technology continues to advance, it is important to carefully consider the implications of AI and its potential impact on society. Join us next time as we continue to explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence.